Have you seen that I am hosting a natural menopause workshop? So I'm going to tell you a little story. So when I was in my 40s and I went through perimenopause, I was blindsided. I did not know that getting the hot flashes, night sweats, the anxiety, the mood swings, the irritability, starting to have trouble maintaining my weight. I didn't know I was in perimenopause because it was too early. I was like 43 when these symptoms started. But once I went to the doctor and I found out what was going on, that's when I did a little research and I started digging in and learning all these things about how we can manage our health, manage these symptoms in a natural and healthier way. And so that's what I'm doing is I put together a workshop, and I want to invite all my girlfriends and all my girlfriends who are 40 and up to invite their girlfriends that are 40 and up. This is important information. So I just want to give you a quick sneak peek. I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to let you see just a little bit what's going on, what I'm going to be sharing. I don't know why it always starts in the middle. So this is what my slides are looking like, and I'm just going to scroll through those real fast and show you some of what I'm working on. I'm going to tell you my story. We're going to get started, and then I'm going to really walk you through what is menopause, what is perimenopause, what are the signs of menopause, how do you know if you're in menopause, and then I'm going to share 3 ways to boost your hormones. And I'm going to share all this amazing, you see all that? I'm not going to let you study it. So I just give you a quick sneak peek. If you're not registered, click on the link that is attached to this video somewhere and sign up and share it with your friends. I got somebody knocking on my door, so I'm going to have to end this now. So thanks.